everybody, it's Wendy and it's time to open Sam's bead box for the month of January 2023. So first of all, our encouraging word, don't let your dreams be dreams. And this is a fitting encouraging word for this box. I am so excited about this box, you all. So I opened this up and it is a box kind of themed around Tennessee, East Tennessee, and Dolly Parton. And oh my goodness, Dolly Parton is one of my favorite people in the entire world. I just love her. And Chris and I visit the Great Smoky Mountains several times a year. We were there right before Christmas. We spent 2 days in Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. And last year we were there like 3 different times. It's our favorite vacation spot. So I was so excited to see this box. So Sam says that this is themed after Dolly Parton and East Tennessee and the Great Smoky Mountains. And so, yes, I am so excited for this. So we're going to open this up. So let me set the little thing up here. So Sam's bead box, I didn't even say what it is. Oh my goodness. I guess you guys probably all know if that's why you're watching this. But anyway, I like to say it. It is a monthly subscription beading service. Sam's is amazing. It's all check glass and gemstones, and it's just, it gets better every month. And I've got to say that the Dolly theme and this Great Smoky Mountains, I am like, this is probably going to be my favorite box ever. I can't even tell you how much I love Dolly Parton. And the Don't Let Your Dreams Be Dreams, I just pulled this out randomly, but if you know Dolly's story, she grew up very, very poor in the mountains there, and, you know, she had a lot of dreams and aspirations, and she followed them, and now look where she is today. So if you haven't seen her story, you need to watch the movie. It's called Coat of Many Colors, and it's just amazing. So yeah, Dolly, I love her. Okay, so I could go on and on. Tennessee Treasure, let's take a look and see. So we have a check glass North Star coin, rustic gold blue 14 millimeter 5-piece set. Ooh, look how pretty. Very pretty. These are, it's kind of a puffed coin too. It's not a flat coin. It's really pretty. And both sides, obviously. So that is beautiful. Then we have a table cut Flower of Life coin. That's interesting. I've never heard that before. That's this. Ooh, in mint silk Picasso gold. Wow, look how pretty that is. That matches perfectly with these. Look at that. Beautiful. So Flower of Life coin. I have never heard of a Flower of Life. I've heard of a Tree of Life, but that is really pretty. Okay, gorgeous. I love the finish on that Picasso. Check glass, fire polish, faceted round, peridot AB, 4 millimeters. So here we have some beautiful little green fire polish beads in peridot with the AB coating. Oops, so pretty. Oh, they match really well with all this mint and green colors in here. Really pretty. Then we have a check glass elm leaf, rustic gold. Elm leaf and rustic gold. That's these. Oh, these are cool. There we go. Oh, those are pretty. They're both done on both sides, double-sided. That's the word I'm looking for. And they are briolette drilled. Very, very pretty. Elm leaf, okay. Then we have natural serpentine nugget. That would be these. 13 by 15 to 22, or 15 by 22, and it's a 4-piece set. Ooh, those are pretty. Look at that. Look at the pattern in that one. Really pretty. Serpentine nuggets. Those are gorgeous. Check glass maple leaf, green opal bronze. That's these. Very, very maple leafy. Look how pretty. Double-sided again, and these are just center drilled. Or, I don't know if that's called center drilled. Down through the middle. That's what I call it. I think center drilled is actually through the middle this way, but these are regular drilled. Let's say it that way. Look how pretty they are, though. Beautiful. I like those a lot. They have kind of an opal to them. Yeah, green opal bronze is what they're called. Then we have a check glass melon. Teal gold 8mm 20-piece strand. Oh, that's really pretty too. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Okay. Check glass dancing flower. Pink silk. Dancing flower. Oh, here it is. Okay, this is cool. Pink silk / crystal bronze. 16 by 20mm. That's pretty. That reminds me of Dolly right there. Just the pink and gold. Really pretty. Dancing flower. All right. And then we have check glass bellflower. Pink silk. Here it is. Pink silk crystal mix bronze. 11 by 13mm. Oh, those are pretty. There they are. Those are really cute. Those would make really cute earrings. Really pretty. Okay. Check glass fire polish faceted round. Pink crystal AB. Is that these? Yes. Pretty pretty. I love fire polish beads. Always have. Look how gorgeous. These are 7mm. Really pretty. Okay. Let's see. Check glass butterfly lavender amethyst AB. That's these. So pretty. Look at that. Beautiful little butterflies. Really pretty. Okay. Then we have a check glass royal diamond, dark aqua pink. Royal diamond. Ooh, that's these. Look at these. These are pretty. Wow. Oh, I love these. Okay. Look how pretty these are. I've seen these on other sites before, and I'm always drawn to them. They're just so intricate and just detailed and pretty. Beautiful. So these are called dark aqua pink. Huh. Let's see here. And then we have check glass daisy spacer, forget me not blue. That would be these. Little tiny. Very, very cute. Get a whole bunch of them in here too. 5mm, it says 6.8 grams, about 100 pieces. So yeah. Really cute. Let's see, where are we at? Check glass filigree oval, blue opal. Filigree oval. I'm looking for that. Oh, here it is. Oh, those are cute. Okay, little tiny things. Look how pretty. They, if you can see, I'm trying to get the camera to focus. They are textured. See that texture on them? Filigree oval. Let's see what else this says. Pale blue crystal, no, blue opal, 5.5 by 6.5mm. They are cute. Really tiny. I like these. Huh. I'd like to do a bracelet with just those. That would be really pretty. Okay, then we have a check glass cowgirl flower. Pale blue crystal. Oh, that's these. Cowgirl flower. That's cute. Okay. Oh, I like those a lot. Those are really pretty. Pale blue crystal, it's called. Crystal gold. Pale blue crystal gold, 11mm, 10-piece set. Those are really pretty. They look really nice with this and definitely with that. I like that even better. That's really pretty. What are we going to do with those? We'll find something really fun to do with those. Okay, and then we have check glass lucky horseshoe focal. This is cute. Color varies, it says. So 18 by 20mm, 1 piece. That's super cute too. And I got like this kind of mint color, which goes really well with these other things we have up here in this mint kind of color. So yeah, that looks really pretty together. Could even pull in this maybe. Yeah, huh. Definitely these. Really cool. Okay, so now I've moved everything off the bags and I don't know what belongs to what. Okay, that was a horseshoe focal. Then we have, oh, Aquaterra Jasper Serpentine Smooth Round. This is one of my favorite gemstones. They're so pretty. Look at these. Oh, goodness. Aquaterra Jasper. I love this stuff. And this is so pretty with this box. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. It all is going to look so, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty together. Love it. We're going to have a good time with this box. Not just because of Dolly, but just because I love all these pretty beads together. So yeah, there we go. Did I show that to you very well? I don't know. I think I got excited and didn't even hold it up there very long. But oh, it's beautiful. So Aquaterra Jasper. Then we have Czech Glass Spacer Drut Smoky Topaz Shimmer. That would be these. There they are. That's a pretty little finish on those. It's kind of, it says shimmer. Reminds me of a luster too. Really pretty, 4 millimeters. Okay, whoops. All right, then we have Coffee Jasper Square / Flower, 15 millimeter. This is 6 mixed pieces, natural inclusion. So I'm not sure. Jasper. Okay, I'm like, it doesn't say, but it does. Jasper. These are beautiful. Look at the striations on that. Really pretty. Very pretty. Like these little flowers. Those are so cute. These look really nice. Ooh, wow, look at that together. Wow. Yeah, Sam. Tell you, Sam amazes me every month. He just gets better and better and better. Yeah, wow. Okay. Getting distracted. Sorry. I'll lay them out in front of me and just want to play. Okay. Then we have Brown Snowflake Jasper Smooth Round. Oh, wow. 10.3 millimeters. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at the Snowflake Jasper. I don't think I have any of this either. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Yeah. Oh, that's all so beautiful together. Oh my goodness gracious. This is going to be a fun box. Look at that. Wow. All right. Let's get back on. Okay. And then we have Czech Glass Diamond Brio Woodlands Mix. That's these. Oh, these are very pretty. Are they briolette? Yeah, they are briolette. I'm not a fan of briolette drilled, but these are gorgeous. Yeah, very, very pretty. Wow. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I'm going to have a really, I don't even know how I'm going to focus enough to do this box because I'm just so, look at that. Sam, I'm telling you, he's amazing. He's amazing. Sam and Rachel, they just, and Jesse, and I don't know who else is there, but they're amazing. Okay, then we have Western Boot Charm, Oxidized Brass Plate. And I missed something here. We'll have to find it. Oh, these are cute. Ooh, I love this oxidized brass. That's different and unique. We don't get that ever. That is really pretty. Yeah, I've not seen this in anything hardly. It's not just plain brass. It's got this black. It's beautiful. Wow. That's really super cute. Oh my goodness, that's super cute. That looks so pretty with these. Oh, wow. I don't know. I'm going to have fun with this box. I'm already having fun with this box. And then oh, that's the butterfly toggle set. Okay, so that was the boot. The butterfly. I'm getting totally to the butterfly toggle set. But somewhere along the way, I missed these. Czech Glass Melon in pink bronze luster. How did I miss these melons? We had the other melons. I'm looking for them. We had the teal gold. Oh, it was right under the teal gold. Okay, I missed this one. Czech Glass Melon, pink bronze luster, 5.5 millimeters. These are really pretty too. I mean, this box, wow, look at this. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Sam, I mean, he just really, it's, look how pretty that looks together. You could even pull in, I'm not sure, that's really pretty with it too, actually. Wow, look at these butterflies. Yeah, this is just, wow. Okay, that's it, guys. I mean, that's the box, but I just can't, I mean, it all looks so pretty together. That's just gorgeous. And then you can pull in some of these greens. Look at all that together, how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. We are going to have so much fun with this box. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Please check out the link in the description box below for Sam's box. I have a $5 off coupon. He's very generous and gives $5 off the first month's box, first month's subscription. But look at this. I mean, how could you not? It's just absolutely stunning. Everything goes so well together. Even the blue, even though it's got blue, green, and pink, which I normally would not, I mean, it all goes so well together. Look at this. It's just gorgeous. So yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun with Sam's box this month. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.